It's a go happen. Woo!
Hey neighbors, what's good in the neighborhood? I hope your week is off to a great start. We are starting off ours with a bang. Today we're having for dinner some liver, some braised liver, and some ground provisions, or food as we Jamaicans say. So we're gonna be in the kitchen, that's what you're gonna see us doing, and then we're gonna jump into the rest of our videos. So stay tuned to see how we prep this little thing and wash it down in a little bit of lemonade and thing. So stay tuned. A lot of people shy away from liver, but it's actually very easy to cook, especially if you're in a pinch. You just add some salt, some black pepper, a little soy sauce. You can add a little garlic beforehand, but we were kind of crunched for time, so we just did the basics before we added in our seasonings. So we've chopped up our seasonings, or scallion, or garlic, thyme, and some Scotch bonnet pepper that we're going to use to season our oil. We've also cut up some onions, some sweet pepper, and some ripe plummy tomatoes that we're going to add in the last 15 minutes of our cooking. Next, we infused our oil with those lovely seasonings. It smells so good. Next, we drop in our liver and we mix that thoroughly so that it's coated with that nice aromatic sweet smelling oil that has all that garlic and thyme flavor in it. It's very important that we don't add any water. We want our liver to fry so that it becomes tender. We don't want it to boil. After we're done frying it, we want to transfer it from the pot into another container to allow it to rest, because now we're going to make our gravy. So in the final step, we deglaze our pot and then we add in our seasonings, our tomato, onion, sweet pepper, or pepper, and then we let that simmer until they're tender, and then add back our liver to cook down for another 5 minutes. No more than that, at medium heat, because we don't want it to boil. I add a few grains of pimento in the last 5 minutes or so that it doesn't overpower the liver. We also have our pot going with our boiled food. We have in there some boiled dumpling that Paul made, and some yam, yellow yam, and some nice ripe plantains. So our total prep time is maybe about 45 minutes from start to finish, from peeling and cutting up to stewing and then boiling the food and everything. So now, here is our plate. Nicey. And a bon appetit to you, whatever you're having today. Let's take a bite. You know what is missing now? 2 slices of avocado. 2 slices of pear? Yeah, that's what's missing. I never cook rice, you know. Man, it tastes so good. Good down to the last bite. Yes, sirree. So we had a good weekend. It was kind of low key. We didn't do a whole lot. We were really tired, really tired. So on Saturday, Paul went out on the road to run some errands and stuff, and he just picked up some patties, and we had that for dinner. On Sunday, he had to make a run on the road, so he took Lila and Zara with him, and yeah, he took out some chicken with the intention of cooking it, but that didn't happen, and it wasn't going to happen because he had worked up himself so much the night before watching this Copa America final. You guys know that Copa America was happening. It was like a thing, and Argentina and Brazil were in the final. And of course, nobody loves Argentina more than Paul Reed. Nobody loves Lionel Messi more than Paul Reed. So I'm gonna let me not be the one to explain. He worked himself up, getting all excited about this Copa America final and his team winning and his player being top goal scorer and best player for the Copa America and the final. So you'll see it.
Guys, if you know me, you know say I love Messi, love Argentina, and tonight, Saturday night, is Copa America final, Argentina versus Brazil. And the only reason I never shout out and jump on a while ago is because I had a baby man and I never want her to wake up. But I put her down now because guess what? Argentina is leading. Looky here, Simone. Looky here. Guys, big baller Messi. Boo, Neymar. Argentina. Albi Celeste. Just practicing for when our next goal score. Man, I'm going to be changing into my Argentina jersey because when we win, I have to jump and celebrate, man. I have to jump and celebrate. Hey guys, so it's halftime. We're sitting on a 1-goal lead here in my Albi Celeste shirt. I'm a big Messi fan, believe me, big Messi fan. I think he's the best player ever. Watching him is a treat, and he's never won an international trophy, and we're out here repping me, Ava, and Layla. Give him a dance. Everybody in a good mood right now. Let me hear the Uncle Lionel shout. Woo! Yes, I hear that. A little yes. Wow, nice blue Play-Doh you have there.
Yeah.
What are you making?
I'm making wiggly worm.
Making wiggly worm?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to make a wiggly worm. Nice colors though, blue. Blue is going to win tonight. Get up, man. Get up, Neymar. Dive up. Dive too much, man. Ball. Don't pile him. Pile him. Referee. Woo. Dead boy. Dead. Get up, boy. Get up, boy. Well done. Don't foul him. No foul. Well done, my boss. Evie, Daddy rated even more tonight. He's staying up with Daddy to watch Uncle Lionel. Extra milk for you later. The last 5 minutes of the game. Goal! Oh, Petrus! Eva cannot bear to watch anymore. She's gone to sleep. Don't foul him. Good foul. Very well done, my side. Give Messi. Yes, Father God. It's gonna happen. Dead boy! Final 2 minutes. Come on, we're going to. Ole. I'm nervous until, guys. Final minute and a half. Messi. Yes, Messi. Come, Lela. Come say Messi. Say Messi. Messi again. Messi. Say Messi. Yes. Whoa! I feel it, guys. I feel it. It's gonna happen. Woo! It's going to happen, guys. I can't believe it. Rockstone. Ole. Thank you, Father God. Ole, 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 ole. For the record, it's 6:16 a.m. on Sunday morning. The place was quiet and Tina said, "Where's Layla and Zara?" And this is what Layla and Zara was up to. Layla and Zara, what you doing? Hmm? What is this? What are you eating?
It's finished.
Yeah, it's finished because you threw everything on it on the table already. You're either playing it or stuffing it in your mouth. Cut your hands. Your mouth. Alright, please go to the bathroom and wash your hands. Go to the bathroom and wash your hands, please. Layla, Zara, please go wash your hands. Let's see what this day brings, right? Morning, neighbors. What's good in the neighborhood today? Yep. I'm beaming. I'm so happy still. Argentina won yesterday. I'm coming. Argentina won last night. And I am so happy, guys. How are you starting your Sunday morning? Going on the road now. The verse for the day. What am I going to drop on you today? I have it. So the verse for today is Ephesians 3, verse 20. It says, "Now to him who is able to do immeasurably more than all we ask or imagine, according to his power that is at work within us." That's a quick reminder, guys, that we're serving the God who woke you up this morning is the God who is able to do immeasurably more than all you can ask or even think about. That situation, that problem, that thing that is causing you sleepless nights, pain. We want things to work out, so God have a plan. And his plan and timing is best. Don't fear. Alright? That's a thought for today. Go touch the road now.
Hi.
How are you?
Don't know.
You don't know? Where are we going? Layla.
I'm in a coma.
Lily. Where are we going, Zata?
Going to coma.
Okay. Say morning. Say morning, neighbors.
Good morning.
You don't say morning, neighbors, Layla?
Good morning, neighbors.
Say good morning, neighbors, Zata. Look at the camera and say morning, neighbors.
Good morning, neighbors.
Very good. Your turn, Lily. You're not in the mood today. Alright.
No,
Look at this yellow. Look at this yellow one. You pick one too, Zaza. Just pick one, no more than one. It smell nice? Left Layla and Zara at mommy so that I could run on the road to get just run to the supermarket to get a few things and then head back to her. I need to pick up the eggs as well. We have our egg supplier, Uncle Maxi. Need to stop by him to get some eggs and pick up some fruits and vegetables. But yeah, that's what I want to do very quickly right now. Oh, I got to tell you that Argentina won last night. I tell you already. Argentina won the Copa America and Messi now has the international title. I don't know if it's slipped me. I told you, right? I thought so. I'm at the supermarket now, but I feel extremely tired. Like I feel really tired. I don't know why. I feel really tired. $234 for this. You know, so these are the best plantains. So the plantain ripe, so. But I don't know, how you like your plantains? Some people prefer them when they're more like this. Some people prefer them when they're like at this stage and like super sweet. How you like yours? I'm a green plantain fan though. These are some very big cabbages. That one here, it's huge. Pick up a whole lot of chicken. No, I prefer CB. I don't know. Since when I became a CB fan, I prefer CB chicken to the best dress. Best dress, I don't know. Something about best dress nowadays I don't know. Like. Picking up some pork stew. Probably put this up with some cabbage or something. Some cornmeal for porridge. Some cane sugar, what them call it. For lemonade. Why would I make a list? Why I would I make a list if I don't see? Eh? What the point of making a list for? This is currently our favorite snack. Cassava chips. Tina prefers this. Tina prefers this one. But man, these cassava chips, nice and crunchy. Taste just right. Perfect actually. This is probably the kids' favorite. Layla, Zara and Hannah. Oh, scrap that. These are their favorites. Sit down, sit down. What's the life funny? I always buy from that lady, you know, I always buy from her. And I never know that she have twins. It's when she see me, the first time I bring Layla and Zara there, and she said, you know, some have twins too. She said they're going to be 20 in December. Two boys. And she said she never going, she wasn't going back because the doctor tell her that because the doctor told her that if she go back she's going to get 3. She's like, she never in that, so she said, you know what, call it a day from them time. But yeah, she have twin too. What's a coincidence? I always buy from her, I just never knew. Never know at all. Anyway, time to go home. Layla and Zara said going home.
Going home. Going home.
Okay.
Daddy? Boo!
Remember this? Duplex. They changed the packaging over the years, but Duplex they bought from like 20 generations ago. It's probably the longest serving biscuit in Jamaican history, transcending generations. So we're going to take a moment now to just big up the national people who keep Duplex alive.
What should I do in here? You You see these two get her in a daddy little DIY recording studio. If you ever see them on him drums. Anyway guys, that's it from us for another vlog. So we will see you again on Thursday. Have a safe and productive week from me and my house. Blessings and love.